supplementary is below 90 degrees. 90 minus x. Supplementary angle is below 180 degrees. 180 degrees means 180 minus x. Both are let. Supplementary angle is equal to 3 times of complementary angle. Okay? Supplementary angle is equal to 3 times into complementary angle. Supplementary angle is equal to how much is there? 180 minus x. 180 minus x is equal to 3 times to the 90 minus x. 180 minus x, 3 times 3 9 ja 27, 270, 3 into x, 3x. Constants are taken one side, variables are taken one side. Minus x, 3x taken this side, 3x, 270 minus 180. Minus x, 3x, 2x, 270 minus 180, 90. X is equal to 90 by 2. X is equal to 2 1 ja 245 ja. X is equal to 45 degrees. Then find the angle is equal to 45 degrees.